Hello, class. Let us talk about how to prepare the scientific paper. Of course, this is going to be your title, Determination of Acetic Acid Content of Commercial Vinegar, a research paper in Chem 102 lab. And of course, your name, your section, and the semester. Second semester 2023-24. The abstract. The abstract presents a brief summary of your research. The purpose of the abstract is to allow potential readers of a paper to find out the important points of the paper without having to actually read the paper. It briefly provides the reader the most important information from the entire text. The abstract is a short summary, around 150 to 200 words or less, of the important points of the paper. It does not generally include background information. There may be a very brief statement of the rationale for conducting the study. It describes what was done, but without details. It also describes the result in a summarized way that usually includes whether or not the statistical tests were significant. It usually concludes with a brief statement of the importance of the results. Abstracts do not include references. Okay, so in this sample research paper, this is the title, this is the abstract. This abstract starts with this statement, which serves as the introduction. Okay, attempts were made to develop and appropriate. So you see the objective. Okay, objective. Then this is followed by procedure. Okay, so ito yung methodology or procedure. Next to the procedure is results and discussion of results. And lastly, the conclusion. The introduction provides the background information necessary to understand why the described experiment was conducted. So in this sample introduction, you will see, kasi ito part 2 ng introduction, you will see that towards the end part, ito na yung end part of the introduction, you find the objective. So etong part na to is the objective. So in our case, our objective will be to determine if the percent acetic acid content fall within the level prescribed by FDA and to find if there are differences among commercial samples. And of course, materials and methods. Your Your materials and methods should include sample collection, where did you obtain the sample, and standardization of sodium hydroxide, yung procedure ng standardization, the procedure for titration of vinegar to phenolphthalein endpoint, the statistical treatment, you made use of ANOVA in Excel. Okay, so for the results and discussion, you have also to include the average molar concentration of the sodium hydroxide solution that you used, the acetic acid concentration as expressed in percent acetic acid or grams of acetic acid per 100 ml. Dapat naka-express doon. You should show your tabulation of results, particularly yung mga percent concentration ng vinegar. And the ANOVA results. The ANOVA can be placed in the appendix. Okay, so sa inyong discussion, you should be able to answer, did the acetic acid content of the samples fall within the level required by FDA? Or uh, also you have to explain the result of the ANOVA. Okay, were there differences among samples? And if there are, which are the different samples and which are in the same range? And for the conclusion, you should include what are the most important findings in the study.